So, uh, the kinds and other things about partnership. So, alam naman natin yung partnership is yung dalawang tao is nag-i-invest o magkatuwang na nagpapatakbo ng negosyo. Dalawang magkaibang tao na nagpapatakbo ng negosyo. So, meron pala yung dalawang uri, no? Dalawang types. Yung sinasabi nila na uh, simple partnership, yung nag-i-invest ng money, nag-i-invest ng capital in the same timeline or in the same time. Simple partnership, yung kumbaga magkasabay. So, yung compound partnership naman is nag-i-invest ng money in different times. Kumbaga, hindi sila sabay. At saka marami yun eh. Maraming partner nag-i-invest in a different time. So, yun yung compound partnership. Pag sinabi mo namang money or active partner, yun yung hindi lang nag-i-invest ng money. Involved din siya sa negosyo. Pag sinabi mo namang sleeping partner, pera lang ini-invest niya pero hindi siya involved sa business activity. So may ganyan, may sleeping partner. At meron din namang active partner. So sa partnership, ang profit is the product of capital times time. Okay, sa partnership, profit is the product of the capital times time. So profit is equal to capital times time. So yun yun. Yun yung napag-aralan natin. Ayan. So, simple algebra lang. Pag kukunin mo yung capital, i-divide mo yung profit and time. Pag time naman, profit over capital. So, yan yung mga things na natutunan natin about partnership. Again, another business vlog again. Ngayong araw na to. Ngayong Ninoy Aquino Day dapat. Death anniversary ni former Senator Benigno Aquino Jr. Natutunan natin tong mga bagay na to na yun yung kanyang gusto na magkaisa yung mga Pilipino. So tama, vlog natin yung partnership. So yun lang po.